Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where like items are from in Heartopia and like where you can find it yourself. So when you see something online like furniture or like um building items, you'll know where they're from and you can get it from there. So if you go to your watch and if you go to collection, you can actually find where items come from. So if you go to collection and if you go to special furniture, for instance, obviously it won't work for like uh birds or insects that you haven't unlocked, but it does work for special furniture that you have um that is like still locked, I guess. So for instance, you want to know where certain items are from. So let's say the joinery stool. You can press details here and it's going to basically show you where you can get it. So if you want the joinery stool, you'll need to get it from leveling up your DG level. Um, if you want the oceanic two-seat sofa, you can get it from, again, the DG level. Let's find something else. Let's do the jazz sofa. You can get it from home evaluation. So you'll get it like as a prize if you up your home evaluation score. And then this yellow duck hovercraft, you can order it from the ordering machine and etc etc. So this is where you can basically find out where everything is from. So like the medium fish tank, you can get it from Vanya's fishing store, Bob's furniture store, and the time limited festival as well. And like the large fish tank, you can only get it from Vanya's fishing store. And then, for instance, you want to know where you can get this Rocky Mountain bird perch, you can get it from Bob's furniture store, but you can get this one from, I don't know why it doesn't show, but you can get it from Bailey as well. And then, for instance, this roller coaster cart, you can get it from the research store. And then there's also like a few like this six-sided dice, you can get it from the research store, but you can also get it from Bob's special decor store. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.